Welcome to Wroxeter Roman City, and we are back with another little driver tutorial. Well, so tutorial, a little walkthrough on how to get there. So we've just come off junction 7 of the M54, as that's the way we've come in today. If you come in from Shrewsbury way, you'll follow this Roman Road, I think it's called, if I remember rightly. That junction we've just gone past, sometimes the sat nav will take you in there, but totally ignore the lying, deceiving sat nav, because they just try and get you in a mess. You can get down there, you can, it's just not ideal, and for the sake of an extra minute, I mean, this way is just, it's easier. It's just, you know, if you meet a car down there, yeah, you'll get past, but yeah, you just want to make your life easier, not harder. And it's not signposted as well. It's Wroxeter is signposted, but these little brown signs that we love so much and help out a lot are the best way to go. So as you can see, we are well signposted here, left for Wroxeter Roman City and the vineyard, but we are going to the Roman City today. Yeah, it's very easy. The only thing that can really catch you out is the I'll even say catch you out is taking the other turn, and if the sat nav decides to send you that way. But even if you do, you will get down there. You won't get stuck or not be able to get through. It's just I just find that this way is easier. As you can see, lovely roads, nice and big. We're about to meet a big truck here, but it's not an issue. It's not an issue. We just sail past. No wing mirrors being clipped today, or any other day, hopefully. But yeah, like I say, you come down, you can see the buildings on the right here as you approach, coming up the brow of the hill. There is a nice little coach park as well, which is signposted for coaches, we'll tell you when we see that in a second. So yeah, on the right here, this is where that other lane brings you out directly opposite, which again, it's fine. Oh, right there. They have decided to keep the chains across today, which means we will have to take the far entrance, which is okay. It's not a problem. Just means we might need to take it a bit wider, take it a bit slower, do a bit of gardening on these trees here. No, we're okay, we're in. And yeah, as I say here, coaches, there's 3 little bays, but to be honest, I've never seen more than 1 coach. So yeah, and that is Wroxeter Roman City. So I hope this video's helped, and I'll catch you on the next one.